Hey guys, we're getting closer to stroking the bow and playing Mary Had a Little Lamb with a bow. Hopefully, you guys are taking everything I'm saying seriously with the drills and everything else. I know it's exciting. You want to play violin, and trust me, I want you to play it really, really well. Like, have a success story. And if you do these things, it's a little bit more work in the front end, but it's going to pay off. You don't want to be playing a year, 2 years, 3 years, and having all these issues, and then having to fix your bad habits. Fixing one bad habit can take up to a year. I've seen that with private lessons with students that have been playing 5, 10 years. It's not about how much you practice, it's about how much you practice well. And to practice bad habits, you're basically just practicing to get worse. So we have to prevent these things. So we're getting closer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 stickers on the bow, or 3 stickers on the bow, that indicate where we start, where we go to, and where we should be changing for eighth notes, which we'll learn later. Okay, so we're taking the stickers that I had in a previous lesson, and we're going to put those on. You can use any sort of stickers, anything that can stick on the bow. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure 1/4 of the bow up is where the first sticker is going to go. Okay, so that's going to be right around here. It doesn't have to be exact, just right around a quarter. Okay, so that's where that first sticker is going to go, a quarter. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Okay, and then the second sticker I'm going to put at the very top of the bow. This indicates how far I want you to go with every stroke, okay, especially when you're first starting. So we have basically where we're going to be stroking the bow between these 2 areas. And this is very common. So many students only use so much bow when they start. A lot of that has to do with the tension in their hand and just that they think that they're kind of just starting off small and working their way up. Not a good thing. You have to, right off the bat, if you can, play every stroke using the whole bow. And I'll get to more of the mechanics behind that. But try to get in your head just that one stroke is the whole bow, and we don't want to play in this area to start. Last sticker I want you to place that we don't really need right now, but we'll need eventually, is in between those 2 spots, right in the middle of those 2 spots, I want you to put a 3rd sticker. And that's going to indicate where we play eighth notes, either here or here. We're going to stay very organized with our bow strokes, okay? So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 stickers on the violin.